So here I'm going to show you how to get the CodeYam desktop extension for Claude. So this assumes that you have the Claude desktop app. You're going to go ahead and download the extension, which is what's called an MCPB, or MCPB stands for MCP bundle. It's basically a local version of the MCP servers or connectors you know and probably use already if you're in the Claude desktop app. So we'll see the file. We'll go ahead and double click to open. If we search for Claude in our desktop application, we should be able to open that up, and we'll see a request to install it. And there we go. So in this case, I've already installed the extension, but we can see that if I were to reinstall it, I would just click this button. We want to make sure that it's enabled, which it should be by default, which is good. And so now what we want to do is in a new project, and in this case, we're in the code tab, although it doesn't really matter. Let's create a new one. We'll go ahead and say open CodeYam. Let's make sure we switch to a new folder. Just call it test. Okay. We'll go ahead and say we trust the workspace. We'll say open CodeYam and we'll see what happens. And that should basically open up our CodeYam MCPB, which will then open the CodeYam editor tool that allows us to build software with Claude Code in this case as our agent. So great, it should open up in our browser. We'll give it a little bit of time. And awesome, we can see that it's opened. But that is how you install and set up the MCPB server for CodeYam.